Hi and welcome back. This is Matt Garrett with another quick video. This one we're going to look at how you can improve your odds of getting approved to promote offers on JVZoo. Now you may not actually be aware of it, but there is a profile option on JVZoo where people can have a look at your profile on the platform, and I'll show you how to set this up in a moment or two. But first, let's reframe things and look at it from a vendor's perspective. So here I am on my pending affiliate requests page as a vendor, and you can see I've got a few here. Most of these are from people who've got less than 10 sales, and this person has a refund rate of over 17%. Sorry, correction, just under 17%. Okay, so why would a vendor not approve your request to promote their product? Surely they're turning down free money, because if you're promoting their product and making them sales, that's more money in their pocket. Well, yes, but there are two things here. First of all, if you send lots and lots of bad traffic that doesn't convert, that can really mess up the numbers, the conversion stats, which then puts other people off promoting their product. So it's a delicate balance here. Vendors want good affiliates on board to promote their products, but they need to make sure that they don't end up with someone who spends lots of time sending really crappy, spammy traffic and never making any sales. That will actually hurt them. And secondly, and this is even more worrying for vendors, there are scammers out there who will send you sales, then refund all those sales having first emptied their PayPal account or even closed it, so there's nothing available for the refunds, or even use stolen credit card numbers to make all the purchasers get the affiliate commissions and then disappear, leaving you, the vendor, with all those refunds to deal with, and you end up out of pocket. So for a vendor's perspective, it's very important to make sure that you're real and genuine and you're going to send good quality traffic. So everything that you can do to assure the vendor that that's the case with you, that you are genuine, that you are going to send them a good traffic that is going to convert, every step that you can make towards that will help you get approved. Now on the actual affiliate request page itself, the most important thing is this little bit over here where people can pop in a little extra note, a bit of a description, giving some more information to the vendor. Now when you're actually applying to promote a product, that is the option here where you can fill out extra information. So when you're filling this in, put in something that will allow the vendor to look at where your traffic's coming from. So here I've included my YouTube channel URL and my blog URL. Don't make it too long. They don't want to know all about you and your background. They want to know where your traffic's coming from. They want to be able to check that you're a real marketer, a real affiliate marketer. So something like a blog, a YouTube channel, a LinkedIn page, a Facebook page. These sort of things show that you are genuine and that you have traffic that you can send to them. So that is the best thing you can do to improve your odds of getting approved for any JVZoo product or offer. Okay, the other thing you want to look at and fill in basically is your personal account information and profile page. So if you come to the My Account page and choose My Account from the menu, you'll end up here. Now at the top here, these are the important bits for getting approved. You want to include your Facebook page or URL, a Skype address if you have one, and a bio. So the bio gives a bit more information about you, and you can include something like, again, your blog URL or your YouTube channel URL. To fill that in, simply click on edit and you can pop that information in there. So once you've made those changes and updated your public profile, you'll then be able to view it, and you can see that we've got the Facebook URL appearing over here, so people can check that out, the vendors can, and again a bit of a bio with my blog URL in there as well. Now obviously when you first start promoting as an affiliate, your numbers here aren't going to be very impressive. That will build up over time, and obviously the longer you do it, the more impressive those numbers become, and the more likely it is to become standard that you'll always be approved. But to start off with, having this profile information and URL so that people, the vendors, can actually check you out to make sure you are genuine will make a massive difference. Now there is one other thing that I'd recommend you consider doing. It is taking things to the next level and does require a bit of time and effort and indeed some money, but it will show that to vendors that you are a serious marketer. and it's simply having your own product. Now that isn't as big or a scary thing as it may seem. What you can do is grab private label rights products such as this one here for email marketing, and make sure that they've got the graphics included. You want the PSD format so that you can get those changed. You can then pop over to Fiverr and pay someone $50 to $100 to change these to brand them with your identity, your brand, your URL, your name, and then get that set up on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and the vendors will then see that you are serious as a marketer because you've got your own product. Now the other side of that is you also have a product that you can sell to your leads and your subscribers as well to make extra money, or you can offer it as a bonus when you're promoting other people's products. And offering bonuses that are branded with your identity have a higher perceived value, so you will get more conversions. So it may not be something you do immediately, but as soon as you can, grab some high quality PLR products, rebrand them as yours, and put them in a follow-up series to make extra sales and commissions of your own. And bear in mind, those are then your buyers. They will be on your list so that you can use that email list to promote other people's products and make even more commissions. If you're actually interested in this one, I'll leave a link for it in the comments below, in the description below. It is a high quality PLR product. I've grabbed a copy of this myself to use, so I highly recommend it. As I say, check the description below and there'll be a link for it. And please take the time to watch our other videos and subscribe and like this video. We post regular videos like this to help new affiliates, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.